If you have never had Jamaican brown stew fish, you're missing out. Let's make this Jamaican classic. First, wash your fish with lemon and vinegar. Then season the fish with 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and half tablespoon of black pepper. Be sure to season both the inside and the outside of the fish. Let it marinate overnight or for at least 1 hour for the best flavor. Now turn your stove to medium heat and let your pot get hot before adding your oil. To infuse the oil with flavor, add Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and pimento before frying your fish. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the fish to the pot to prevent it from sticking. Fry each side until golden brown. Once the fish is cooked and golden brown on both sides, remove it from the pot and start preparing the sauce. Now add a little oil or use the oil from the fish if you prefer and saute your veggies. I am using onions, scallion, pimento, thyme, red and green bell peppers, and garlic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, then stir to combine. Now it's time to add the sauce. I made this sauce with warm water and ketchup. Allow it to cook for a few minutes, then add your Scotch bonnet pepper and Jamaican browning. After cooking the veggies for about 1 minute, add the carrots and the fish to the pot. Spoon the sauce over the fish and let it cook for about 12 minutes. Look at this deliciousness. This is how you make authentic Jamaican brown stew fish. I paired my brown stew fish with steamed cabbage and white rice. Thank you for watching.